I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the July Junk Journal Challenge 2025 hosted by Lee's Art and Junk Journal Wonderland. And we're on day 18 and our prompt is bird. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Be sure and check out Lee's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag JJJC2025. So I've got my bird. I cut it out of one of my bird books. Let's see how we want to lay this out. All right. So I think I want to put that somewhere kind of like that. And take it over off the edge just a little bit. And I think I want that kind of up there. Okay, I've got that pretty little bird. Let's see how. Maybe something kind of along those lines. Get a little cluster going. And got a stamp here. And find joy in the ordinary. I like that. So let's start laying some of this stuff down. Well, I love birds. I have got that bird feeder. And those of you who follow me regularly, you know I was having problems with the squirrels and the birds eating up the bird feed. Well, I got a little thing that goes on a pole, and it has worked to keep my keep the squirrels. But I feel so bad. They come to the window looking at us and stuff, so we still buy some of the food and just break it up each day so that they're not so greedy, because they'll sit there and eat that whole block in 2 days, and the poor birds don't get very much. But we have just become a nature refuge practically. The other night looked out there and there was a raccoon out there, and he's so pretty. We've had all kinds of stuff. We've had possums that stayed on our carport. Named him Pedro, because we used to have one where we used to live, and we called him Petey Possum. He stayed out by the road at the ditch, and we'd see him regularly, so we called him Petey. And so the one that was here where we're living now was Pedro. They're cute in their own way. Okay, let's see here. Let me get my bird down. But I love we have got bunny rabbits and my crows, although they hadn't been hanging around here lately. I guess I haven't been feeding them enough. Oh, my husband and I, we do love animals. But the squirrels we named Teddy and Freddie. Freddie has a little piece out of his ear. And they come up to the window. The cats go nuts. They like to tease the cats. And like I mentioned in one of my other videos, the other day I looked out at the bird feeder and there was a red-headed woodpecker out there. And he was so beautiful. They're one of my favorites. And on the ground was bright red cardinal, and that just thrilled my soul. And sometimes we have deer that come out, especially in the fall when the acorns and nuts fall. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna put, it's day 18 I said? Day 18 bird. Okay. I like that, it's just a simple collage. And get my gold splatters. All right, day 18 done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Lee's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag JJJC2025 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.